Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's Looker Studio tutorial, we are going to discuss about the most important feature in the Looker Studio, that is a calculated fields. So whether you are building a dashboard or reporting or marketing reports or what are the reports you are going to create, so the calculation fields are most important. So it's not going to change the original data source based on the database fields. We are going to create the additional fields. Okay, with the existing fields we are going to the additional fields we are going to create. Okay, so what is calculated fields? Calculated fields are it's a custom expressions or formulas created inside Looker Studio that allows you to derive new data from the existing fields. So if you want to do the concatenation, right, from the first name to the second name, so in that case we can go and concatenate the first name and second name to we can provide the full name. With the same way we can abstract the contents, what is the name. So if in your name the letter is available, in that case we can take the if else case. Okay, the similar way we have the other the functions as well, like arithmetic functions. We are going to do the calculations like the seal, floor, log, narrow, and the round value as well. If you want to do the round and the conditional formats as well, like case wins and case win conditions, if you are going to do the calculated fields. So this is about the calculated fields. So in the next video we are going to dig into the very detailed level by the each functionality. Okay, yeah, that's it about this video. So thanks for watching.